Now, secret number 3 is that not all tutors are equal. Now, so in today's world of endless tutoring, it can be very easy to think it's just tutoring. Any tutor will do. After all, they're all covering the same subjects, right? Well, here's the mistake that many parents don't realize until it's too late. And that is that not all tutoring is the same, and choosing the cheapest option could actually be costing you a lot more in the long run. So how's that? Let me explain. Well, firstly, maths is not just maths, and science is not just science. You need a tutor who understands the UK curriculum, who knows how to teach the core concepts effectively, and who can engage your child so that they enjoy those subjects. There are thousands of tutors online who claim they can teach maths, for instance, but really many teachers just simply go over the topics and they don't build that deep understanding or teach in a way that engages your child and ensures your child can apply what they've learnt in exams, which is what we really need. And the hard truth is that cheap tutoring often means poor tutoring, and poor tutoring leads to gaps in knowledge, false confidence where the students think they understand but actually they don't, as well as struggling during exam time when it really counts. So remember that graph that I showed you earlier? That graph means that just one grade increase in maths is worth tens of thousands of pounds over your child's lifetime. Now, if your child is planning to go into a STEM field, medicine, finance, or even any other competitive field, taking that figure in mind, how much is your child's education worth? Okay, so take a second to think about that. So if you could invest £1,000 or £2,000, for instance, so your child can secure grade 9 instead of a grade 8, or 7 instead of or grade 7 instead of a grade 6, and that leads to them earning, say, £40,000 plus per year in their career, would that investment be worth it? Do you think that investment would be worth it? Would £1,000 or £2,000, and I'm not saying that's how much my course is worth, would that be a no-brainer if your returns were going to be £40,000 plus per year? And put aside the finance, because it's not just about money. Something that's really key is that when your child does well, they feel confident. When you see your child confident, you get that peace of mind because you know that you've done the absolute best for them, right? And they have more opportunities, more choices, and greater fulfillment in life. So when you think about peace of mind, financial gain, fulfillment, and emotional well-being, is your child's education worth, say, £1,000? I would say easily. Okay, so a top tip for you then is choose a tutor who goes beyond just teaching. So check that the tutor helps the students apply the knowledge and not just memorize the facts or do the work for them.